MHA contract is a grounds maintenance-based contract, of which incorporates playground maintenance. So we inspect their playground assets. We cut grass on their estates within the towns and villages. We cut and collect grass within their sheltered complexes. We collect leaves, we cut hedges, we maintain shrub beds, anything really that is related to the environment and the grounds maintenance. We have two teams that effectively cut and look after the old age pensioners complexes. They're known to the residents, they become friendly with the residents, they're familiar, you know, residents want something carried out, they'll carry something out for them. We've embraced the don't walk by policy which MHA have got, so that is anything that we see untoward on that site that we may well be on, then we will identify it and we will let Monmouth Housing Association know about that. In addition to the grounds maintenance services, we're offering the opportunity for MHA residents to hopefully gain employment. We can start them on the road. We've signed up to give them training. We will be bringing in 3 volunteers. We already have an apprentice from a Monmouth Housing Association resident, and we'd be looking to take on more.
The grounds are very important with the maintenance and the labour and the amount of work they put in. Like they maintain the benches, the lighting, the grass, everything's in order. Part of the process, obviously, because we're in the customer. So we had to determine what we wanted, what was right and what was wrong. Monmouth having the equipment, having the staff in place, everything was organised. They provided apprenticeship with the workforce. I'm very pleased about that because that's a sustainability. The standards in the community, because the higher the standard is, the higher the old level of the community rises. If a community is downtrodden and well run down, it reflects on the residents. And at the moment, all is hunky-dory.
The contract represents years of dedicated, excellent customer service from our frontline crews, and the actual tender process showed us all pulling together as a team and submitting what was a really first-class tender, and we were over the moon to have been successful in being awarded the contract. It means that the grounds maintenance team are going to get some investment in digital transformation, and we're going to be able to bring their service into the 21st century. There's also some new performance measures in the contract, so we are going to be able to really easily demonstrate the excellent service that we're delivering for our customers. You will be absolutely amazed at the breadth of services that we can offer and the truly excellent customer services we can deliver from the front line right through to our administrative staff. Some of the innovations that we're doing in terms of Nature Isn't Neat, the pollinator, and some of the transformation work we're doing with technology is really exciting. So please just get in touch. It doesn't matter what the requirement is, we will probably be able to help.